Feeling overlooked at work can be a blow to anyone's confidence. It's essential to understand how to regain that confidence and move forward with resilience. In workplace psychology, being ignored often taps into our fear of social exclusion, which is a powerful emotional trigger. This stems from our evolutionary need to belong to a group for survival. When colleagues or superiors overlook us, it can feel like a threat to our professional identity and self-worth. Recognizing this psychological mechanism is the first step toward reclaiming our confidence. Another important aspect is the concept of self-efficacy, which is our belief in our ability to succeed in specific situations. When ignored, our self-efficacy can take a hit, leading to self-doubt and decreased performance. However, understanding that this is a temporary state rather than a permanent trait can help us rebuild our confidence. Imagine a scenario where Sarah, a diligent marketing analyst, finds herself sidelined in a major project. Despite her hard work and innovative ideas, her input is consistently overlooked during team meetings. Sarah begins to question her abilities and feels demoralized. She notices that her once enthusiastic contributions have dwindled, further reinforcing the cycle of being ignored. After a particularly frustrating meeting, Sarah decides to take action. She approaches her manager to discuss her concerns, expressing her willingness to contribute more effectively. Her manager, unaware of Sarah's feelings, reassures her that her work is valued and suggests she take the lead on a new project. This acknowledgement boosts Sarah's confidence, reminding her of her capabilities and the importance of self-advocacy. Sarah also seeks feedback from trusted colleagues to gain perspective on her strengths and areas for improvement. This outside validation helps her rebuild her self-efficacy, giving her the courage to participate more actively in meetings. She also starts setting small, achievable goals, which helps her regain a sense of accomplishment and control. To regain confidence after being ignored, it's crucial to focus on open communication and self-advocacy. Addressing the issue with your manager or peers can bring to light any unintentional oversight and pave the way for positive change. Seeking feedback can provide valuable insights, allowing you to reaffirm your strengths and address any gaps. Remember, setbacks are not failures, but opportunities for growth and self-discovery. By taking proactive steps, you can transform the experience of being ignored into a powerful lesson in resilience and self-worth. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this helps you navigate your professional journey with confidence. If you found this valuable, please subscribe to the channel for more career and workplace insights. See you next time.